Hello my beautiful darlings. So in this video I am going to tell you about the cord cutting ritual. Why it's very important, why we should do it. So sometimes we get attached to some person energy. It can be negative, it can be positive. If that person's energy is motivating us or giving us some energy in very positive way, so when we are getting attached with the ethereal cord of that person, then that cord is giving us nourishment. But in the opposite way, if that person's energy is negative, controlling, full of jealous, full of fear, and if that person wants to pressurize us, then whenever that person will think about us, what will happen? We have already made the code with that person. So from that moment onwards, either we are thinking about that person or he or she is thinking about us. Then what will happen? At that very moment, we will start draining our energy. We will feel tired. We will feel that we cannot do anything, and we feel sucked up, that nothing is there now. That's why cord cutting ritual is very very important. And sometimes we cannot avoid certain people in our life, and it's nothing that we have to move away from those person, but only and only thing that we will cut the source of that energy, so that we will be unaffected from the person's vibes. It can be negative or positive, whatever, but we should not be affected by any type of vibes. This thing you have to remember very very carefully. Sometimes in spouses, suppose husband and wife is there and their energy has been stagnated, then what will happen? There will be lots of quarrels, there will be lots of arguments, fightings and all these things. So for this thing we have to cut the cords. So that's why we have to perform cord cutting ritual like thrice in a month or once in a month, depends on the severity of the case situation. So if I'm saying you that we have to cut the cords, so you might be thinking that whenever we are cutting the cords from our spouses, it means we are getting away from them, but it's not the case. It means we are revitalizing our energy, we are revitalizing our relations, so it will benefit you in all ways. So if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me at my number, that is 9700171027. And it's wonderful technique, it's wonderful ritual. So stay blessed, be happy, take care, bye.